The final trim tool is the rolling trim. This tool removes an equal number of frames from one clip while adding frames to the other clip without affecting the overall length of a sequence. The display monitor will show you the frame from both shots that are being rolled, so it's important to watch it as you make your edit. To answer a roll and trim challenge, select the Roll and Trim tool from the Tools palette. It's the third icon in the Trim Tools section that looks like two square brackets with triangles pointing in the opposite direction. Move your mouse over the edit point on the timeline. It will change into an orange vertical line with two triangles on each side. Click and drag the edit point in the direction that you wish to make your adjustments. Then let go of your mouse and you've rolled the edit point. In EditMentor, you can only roll the video or the audio track of a clip. You cannot roll both at the same time. In this challenge, using the Roll and Trim tool, adjust the edit point to the right to find a better moment in the edit where the two characters' eye lines appears to be looking at each other.